are real Americans. I just thought I would mention that the whole world sucks. America sucks less, but Texas don't suck at all. Obviously, like all Texans are in need. Texans give and give and give and raise a lot of money for some very worthwhile and deserving people, our friends and neighbors in West Texas. So thank you all. Don't just do it here today, but keep the spirit of giving alive in Texas now more than ever, because there's always going to be difficult times, there's always going to be tragedies, and I can't thank you and salute you enough for giving like you are right now. So I'm going to warm you up. Yeah, they warm up to you, so right?